DocMo saves time and eliminates mistakes through complete document automation. Let's prepare some documents. The green tabs represent your data. They contain all the information DocMo needs to prepare your documents. You can import data from any application or enter it manually. Anything in the workbook can be included in your documents. That means calculations, reports, formatting, and everything else. Once DocMo has all relevant information, it's ready to work. Let's populate only contract-related documents, and only those that are required. Now smile because your files and folders are filled out, formatted, and named appropriately. It's that simple. What's also simple is how DocMo makes decisions, like which documents are required. Let's cover that in the next video.